Thinking of buying those cute Labubu toys from bearrus.com? The site looks fun and the prices are tempting, but is it a real deal or just another scam? Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on public information or personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I did this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. There are users sell collectible figures like Labubu, but Trustpilot reviews raise red flags. People report missing orders, fake clicking items, and zero customer support. There's also no clear information about who runs the site. And that's it. That's all what I found in the Google. For the final verdict, is bearrus.com legit? It's risky. You might get your item, but with all the complaints, it's probably not worth the gamble. Have you shopped from Bear R Us? Good or bad experience? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. See you in the next one.